Hello. Welcome to our video. This is the part 4 of plumbing code review questions. In today's video you will be familiarized with the definition of terms in plumbing code. Let's begin. A pipe that does not connect directly with the drainage system, but conveys liquid wastes by discharging into a plumbing fixture, interceptor, or receptacle, directly connected to the drainage system. The answer? Indirect waste. Answer: indirect waste. Next question. An unobstructed vertical distance through the free atmosphere between the lowest opening from any pipe or faucet, conveying potable water to the flood level rim of any tank, vat, or fixture. The answer? Air gap, water distribution. Answer: air gap, water distribution. Next question. The unobstructed vertical distance through the free atmosphere, between the lowest opening from any pipe, plumbing fixture, appliance, or appurtenance, conveying waste to the flood level rim of the receptor. The answer? Air gap, drainage. Answer: air gap, drainage. Next question. A physical separation which may be a low inlet into the indirect waste receptor from the fixture, appliance, or device, indirectly connected. The answer? Air brake. Take note. Air brake, physical separation, air gap drainage, unobstructed vertical distance, conveys waste. Air gap water distribution, unobstructed vertical distance, conveys potable water. Next question. The flow of water or other liquids, mixtures or substances into the distributing pipes of a potable supply of water from any source other than from its intended source. Answer: backflow. Answer: backflow. Next question. The flowing back of used, contaminated or polluted water from a plumbing fixture or vessel into a water supply pipe due to a negative pressure in such pipe. Answer: back siphonage. Answer: back siphonage. Next question. Occurs due to an increased reverse pressure above the supply pressure. This may be due to pumps, boilers, gravity or other sources of pressure. Answer: back pressure backflow. Answer: back pressure backflow. Next question. A suction created by the flow of liquids in pipes. A pressure less than atmospheric. Answer: siphonage. Answer: siphonage. Next question. An air pressure less than atmospheric. Also, implies siphonage in piping system. Answer: vacuum. Take note. Vacuum, air pressure less than atmospheric. Siphonage, suction created by the flow of liquids in pipes. Backflow, flow of water to distribution pipe from any other source. Back siphonage, flowing back of water due to negative pressure in pipe. Back pressure backflow, due to increase in reverse pressure above supply pressure. Next question. A device installed in a drainage system to prevent reverse flow. Answer: backwater valve. Answer: backwater valve. Next question. Condition or any arrangement whereby reverse flow can occur. Answer. Backflow connection. Answer. Backflow connection. Next question. Device or means to prevent flow of liquid from returning to the source of supply. Also called vacuum breaker. Answer. Backflow preventer. Answer. Backflow preventer. Next question. Any connection or arrangement, physical or otherwise, between a potable water supply system and any plumbing fixture or any tank, receptacle, equipment or device, through which enables non-potable, used, unclean, polluted, contaminated water or other substances to enter into any part of such potable water system under any condition. Answer. Cross connection. Take note. Backflow connection. Arrangement whereby reverse flow can occur. Cross connection. Connection between potable water supply and any plumbing fixture which enables entry of contaminated water to the potable water system. Backflow preventer, also called vacuum breaker. Backwater valve, installed in a drainage system to prevent reverse flow. Next question. A water closet consisting of a continuous trough containing water. The trough extends under 2 or more adjacent seats. Prohibited by health authorities for permanent installations. Answer. Latrine. Answer. Latrine. Next question. A non-watertight lined excavation in the ground which receives the discharge of a sanitary drainage system or part thereof, designed to retain the organic matter and solids discharging therefrom, but permitting the liquid to seep through the bottom and sides of the cesspool. Answer. Cesspool. Answer. Cesspool. Next question. An outhouse or structure used for the deposition of excrement. Answer. Privy. Answer. Privy. Next question. A cesspool that is not watertight. Answer. Leaching cesspool. Answer. Leaching cesspool. Next question. A pit beneath a privy where excrement collects. Answer. Privy vault. Answer. Privy vault. Next question. A loosely lined excavation in the ground, which receives the discharge of a septic tank and designed to permit the effluent from the septic tank to seep through pit bottom and sides. Answer. Seepage pit. Answer. Seepage pit. Next question. A watertight receptacle which receives the discharge of a sanitary plumbing system or part thereof, designed and constructed to retain solids, digest organic matter through a period of detention and to allow the liquids to discharge into the soil outside of the tank through a system of open-jointed subsurface pipings or a seepage pit meeting the requirements of this code. Answer. Septic tank. Answer. Septic tank. Take note. Septic tank. Watertight receptacle which receives the discharge of a sanitary plumbing system. Cesspool. Non-watertight lined excavation in the ground. Receives the discharge of a sanitary drainage system. Leaching cesspool. A cesspool that is not watertight. Seepage pit. Loosely lined excavation in the ground. Receives the discharge of a septic tank. Privy. Outhouse or structure used for the deposition of excrement. Privy vault. A pit beneath a privy where excrement collects. That's all for today. Keep practicing by watching the video again. Good luck. Don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel.